Hey fellas, Dan Brokos from Lead Faucet Tactical out here filming another episode of Training Tips and Tune-Ups. We're gonna shoot our pistol from 50 meters, 10 rounds in 20 seconds. Pretty similar to the NRA B8 everybody shoots, 10 rounds in 20 seconds at 25 yards, scoring it out of 100 points on a B8. We're gonna use an 8-inch dot though. 10 in, 100 points, 9 in, 90 points. Trigger manipulation, straight to the rear. If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball. If you can shoot at 50, you can shoot up close. 10 and 20, let's see what we got. Get my chi. Shooter's ready. Stand by. $17.35. Let's go check it out. Hey fellas, 8 in, 2 out from 50 meters, 10 shots in 20 seconds. It's not an easy drill. Good shot group, but I call this one, knew that one was coming up. Really magnifies your errors in your trigger manipulation, and that's why I like shooting at distance. Remember, dodge a wrench, dodge a ball. Give the drill a whirl. Hope you like it. We'll see you next time.